I'm going to tell you the lowest number of strength training workouts you can do on a weekly basis to maintain or make progress. We're not talking about the ideal number or the number that looks good on your calendar. Talking about the floor, the minimum effective dose. Because for busy professionals, life doesn't ask permission before it gets chaotic. Meetings run long, kids get sick, travel plans have changed. When all those things happen, most people don't have a plan B. They just tell themselves the biggest lie in fitness, I'll get back on track on Monday. So let's avoid that slippery slope. You're gonna have a backup plan. Let's build it. The floor matters more than the ceiling. Stop worrying about the perfect program. After years of coaching people that run companies, manage teams, and travel more than they sleep in their own bed, the program you can actually do matters more than finding the perfect program. When your plans go sideways, it's important that you can still get in the minimum effective dose. That's going to be 2 strength training workouts, 30 minutes each. That's the floor. It's not optimal. It's your minimum acceptable standard. This allows you to maintain your strength levels and keep the identity of someone who trained, even when the wheels start falling off. 2 strength training workouts, 30 minutes each, becomes the minimum effective dose. That's your standard. And you meet the standard no matter what. And we know in advance that things are going to go wrong. And that's why we have to have a backup plan. This is exactly why we've created the travel and home workouts. Stop thinking of these things as a downgrade from what you do at the gym. These are insurance. There's no equipment excuse, no I'm staying with my in-laws for the holidays excuse. These workouts are designed to be done in 30 minutes with little to no equipment. The heavy lifting here is actually having a backup plan in place, and we've taken care of that for you. So I'm going to walk you through 2 of these because these are literally the 2 workouts I use when I'm traveling or my schedule goes haywire. The first one is the A+A protocol. It's alactic plus aerobic. This one's my personal favorite because it trains both strength and power. And if you're not training it, power declines twice as fast as strength once you're over the age of 40. And it's simple. There's just 2 exercises. You use kettlebell swings or kettlebell snatches. You can also use dumbbell snatches, and you pair them with push-ups. Why this combo? Well, the swings or snatches hit your posterior chain power and target your alactic energy system. The push-ups are performed explosively, ideally where your hands come off the floor. So you're going to want to pick a number that you can repeat consistently in less than 10 seconds. So probably 3, 5, 7, likely a max of 10 reps. The explosive push-ups will train power and upper body strength. You'll run this in an on-the-minute format and alternate exercises every other round. Short, explosive bursts on the work, and you're gonna stay fast and loose on the rest. You don't wanna sit down, shake, walk around, shake the tension from your arms, and keep moving. Do not sit down. And if you don't have access to a kettlebell or a dumbbell, you can easily modify this by using push-ups and squat jumps. And the beauty of the A+A protocol, the alactic plus aerobic, is the simplicity. It's only 2 exercises. And the best part is this is highly effective for 20, 30, or up to 40 minutes. This is the workout that I use when I'm pressed for time or life happens. All I have in my garage is a single kettlebell, and it allows me to get this done. And if you're familiar with double espresso, you can easily add a little mustard to this workout. If you're going for 30 minutes, the middle rounds, so like 11 through 20, you could actually go every 30 seconds. So you'd go swings or snatches at the top of the minute, and halfway you do the push-up. Do that for about 10 minutes, and I promise you that'll get your heart rate up and it'll get your attention. The next one is the hotel workout. Now we've got a full video on this one too, and you can actually check that out right here. Now this one's called the hotel workout because we built it exactly for that scenario. But don't let the name fool you. You can actually do this workout anywhere. Living room, hotel room, any hotel gym, or the airplane lounge if you want to make things weird. You can scale this workout 2 ways. It works with weights if you have access to dumbbells or kettlebells, or you can use body weight if all you have is the floor in about 30 minutes. This is the one I recommend for clients. If you don't know which workout to default to, it's the hotel workout. Why? Because you can always do this workout anywhere. Just push-ups, squats, and lunges. If you have weights, you can swap the push-ups for a press. Want to add a little core work? You can swap one of the rounds of push-ups for reverse crunches or hollow rock. The idea here is to have something to go to when you need something to go to. When your week goes sideways, and it will if you're running a business, a team, or a household, now you have a backup plan. And your minimum effective dose, 2 strength training workouts, at least 30 minutes. So whether you use the alactic aerobic workout or the hotel workout, you have a backup plan. Don't think of this as doing less. Think of this as your insurance policy against your strength training progress. 2 30-minute sessions protects everything you've worked towards until you're back in the gym with us. If you don't already have the home and travel workouts in Train Heroic, you can add them to your calendar. You'll click on settings, then my training, and then enter the access code. The access code is 321-867-5309. Bonus points if you know where that number came from. Once you have this in your Train Heroic library, you're able to schedule them on your calendar when you need them. Now you have your backup plan in place so you can hit the minimum effective dose no matter what life throws at you.